Abend, konbanwa, and welcome to another episode of my car vlog. And today first off, I'm gonna show you where I have been. Yesterday evening I was on a car meet as well, and I'm on another car meet today, and I actually decided to pack two in one because it both been cool things. So you're gonna see where I was yesterday in 3, 2, 1, go. So, and of course, I hope you enjoyed where I have been yesterday. So big shout out to Poser-Mannheim. Now we're gonna follow up to drive to Eric's garage. Yeah, we will check who will join us today on tonight's meet, and then we're gonna go to Car Meet on a parking space near Frankfurt. So this is the city of Eschborn. This is actually a huge portion of where car meets will be. So yeah, let's check it out, and until then I hope you enjoy the ride in the Supra. So guys, we finally made it to Halle 65. I hope you enjoyed the video of Poser-Mannheim. Big shout out from my side to the event. It was a fantastic location, fantastic cars. We're pretty sure we're gonna be there next year. But now we're gonna check out Halle 65. Ikimashou. Okay guys, so you may remember we did some small present to Eric on his S2000. So I've got a... And now Michi starts vacuum cleaning the car. So I hope you still hear me, so check this out. So look at this. There we have it. So a new shift knob for Eric. So Eric, did you like it?
Yes, thank you my friend.
So all the good parts from Japan. So we go over there because Michi is so heavy vacuum cleaning the car. So what are we gonna do tonight? What's the plan?
So we're driving to I guess it's a pretty new meet.
Yeah.
Also in Eschborn.
Yes.
Hometown.
Yeah, he's from Eschborn.
Yeah. It's from the Nyubys guys.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Pretty young group.
Cool.
They seem pretty interested in building some community stuff, so we appreciate to help them out.
Cool. Yeah. That's good. All right. So we're gonna do some stuff, fixing a lot of things on the cars, and we're gonna catch you back on when we're on the road. So see you in Eschborn, guys. Okay guys, so we finally made it. A really cool thing because we were asked to park the Supra in the first row, and I'm gonna catch up with the guys and oh come on, I take you guys with me. You will. Oh. So here we are, and yeah, so I'm gonna do my first round and I'm gonna take you guys with me and let's check out the cars. See ya. We're here with Austin.
Hello.
Hello, and so he drives a BMW 36, and
like every other car that's here right now.
I mean, at least you have 5 of them. No, I don't know. Just
something like that.
Something like that. So we're gonna check it out now, and yeah.
Right
so there it is. So pop up the hood. No, don't.
You want me to?
Nah, all good.
What do you want with it?
So this is, maybe you should tell the people before that this is more like a track tool. So what do you need the glow light for when you go to the track?
Safety. That's the biggest safety concern, is not be able to see myself, you know, like I gotta make sure I look good while I'm going down the track.
Okay.
You know, like I have to be able to look up in the rearview mirror and be like, damn, sex.
Okay, so your main idea was when building a car to go to the racetracks?
Yeah, for the full purpose for the C36 is to like take it to like Nürburgring, maybe Hockenheim, maybe take it all the way out to Spa. I originally got into E36s because my old shop, we specialized in doing LS swaps, sticky manufacturing, and they needed a right-hand drive E36, so I got one. Paperwork got messed up, so I ended up taking everything out of that car and putting it into this red car in front of us.
Okay.
It started out as a 2.0 automatic. It had no compression in 3 of the cylinders, so pulled the motor, pulled the trans, put a 2.8 M52 B28, and then put the 5-speed ZF into it.
Yeah.
Then I did the Bilstein coilovers all the way around, Apexes, Arc 8s, 17x9 squared, semi-slicks.
I remember the pain building in the seats.
It was fine, it's good. They fit.
They
like
fit
every other
well.
E36, you're a little off-centered, but there's not much you can do about that.
That's so cool. So in March, April, we're gonna see you, or see me sitting next to you on the racetrack.
Yeah, we are.
We are. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna put his Instagram, your Instagram, into the description.
Okay.
So if you want to know more about him or the track days or everything, reach out to him. I think that's a pretty dope BMW because it's, I wouldn't say it's an ultimate, but it will be in the future.
Yeah, it definitely needs a lot of work still. Obviously, no door card because every single E36 windows do this.
Yeah.
So once I get that all done, I'm also doing the interior. I want to do a full track car, full interior, so I want to have cage, rear seats, everything.
Yeah.
AC, I want everything to work.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, we will follow up next week on that one to build him some parts. So yeah, I can't wait to do that. That's cool. I like that. Okay, this looks also amazing. So there's so many awesome cars here. This is such a nice car meet. Look at this. It's crazy, super crazy. So many amazing cars. And there they go also. I mean, this is literally the thing, okay? So there's so much German car culture, and these people are super cool. They're super pleasant, they're very nice, and they all share the same hobby. So I really appreciate the meet. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go later to a photo shooting set and do some shots of the Supra, do some shots of the Civic, the S2000, and I'm gonna catch you up there, guys, okay? So see you in a bit. It's 11:05. We're gonna drive now to a pretty dope photo location. We will check it out. We're gonna grab also another guy, photographer, and we're gonna line up the 3 cars and we'll do some photos. So yeah, it will be pretty amazing. See, taking some shots in the back, and it was a pretty amazing meeting. So for me personally, I have to show first this location. Guys, look at this. This is amazing. Look here, such a nice place for doing nice photo shoots. I think it's one of the most beautiful scenes we have here in Frankfurt for doing night photo shoots. So yeah, it's stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna link the group who organized the meeting. From my personal perspective, this has really some Daikoko vibes. I really appreciate how the meeting was organized, how they really force people also to interact with each other, and to really taking care about the crowd, so nobody freak out, no engine roars, no burnouts and stuff like this. So really good meet, really nice people. I'm super happy to see them all soon again in the next season. This was for me the not last meeting of the season. So next week we're at Tuning Masters at Nürburgring, so we will film that as well. But yesterday we've been at Poser-Mannheim, today we've been here at Eschborn, so tomorrow I will take a rest. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Thank you so much for every subscription and every like. It really helps me a lot. I appreciate that I can do what I do because you're supporting me with this. And have a good night, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. See ya. Bye bye.